Hi, good morning, yeah. Today we are going to make coconut jaggery chewy. Okay, chewy chicky I'm going to make. How to make? I'll show you. Come on. See, no wastage, yeah. Because festival season, so many coconut will be in the house. Then what to do? So much of confusion. Something you can make the oil and something we use here and there. And today I'm going to make it one nice, good, tasty one. This is the jaggery and this is the coconut. Already I grated and kept it, and this one also organic jaggery. Okay, only two ingredients and a very easy one. We can make it quick, that's all, because no wastage of time. That is very important nowadays. See, already I am dissolved this jaggery. Just have a look here. Why I dissolved, small no, mud will be there and the stones also will be there. So just we have to filter this one. See, just dissolve like this. Just have a look, small stones. And here also little bit is there, not much actually. It will be, now I'm adding this coconut. If you want that elaichi powder, you can put it, because I don't like that flavor. But actually they will tell you that is a healthy one. Actually I love to eat so much of sugar, so this is at least same thing only. But anyhow, I don't know, I feel very happy with this. Every time I will tell you, you have to keep it in the medium flame. This you can do it in the high flame itself. Okay, otherwise it I'm not saying that it won't come. It will come, everything it will come. We can do everything. One thing, you have to keep it high flame, one is medium flame, one is very low flame, like that only. When you're making namkeen chawal, biryani, like that and all, you have to make it medium to sim. Now this is high flame only, because it has to be dissolved your water and in the jaggery. No, now you have to make it medium, because it's burning. Now my hands also burning. This is also burning. Oh, this is ready. Just have a look. Now we'll remove from the gas. Just apply ghee here if you want. Otherwise, no problem. I'm not wasting my oil. Not oil, ghee actually. Yeah. See. Nice chicky at home. We can make it coconut chicky. Little bit color also changed here. It will come like Mysore pak. Coconut chicky is ready now. Yeah, I can't taste now. Please. Don't even expectation about that. I'm going to taste. It's so hot. I can't even tell you. See, you can tell this is a cake also. And coconut chicky also. Anything you can mention this one. Okay. Once it will be little bit dry, then you can have it. Yeah, now we'll see cut. Yeah, see, already cut it. And oh, very hot. Yeah. I didn't even realize that down so hot. I can't even tell you, because this I mean, I'm on comedy piece only, I think so. Yeah. If you leave me, I will eat off. I'm so crazy. No, sweet means that's all. I'll do like that only. Okay, yeah. Anyhow, now you people, what you're doing? I don't want to show Katti. Now you people trying this one. No wastage of the prasadam. So you can make the sweet and distribute everybody. And first you will eat. That's it, yeah. Easy only, no. Now you can make it and enjoy.